As you guys see, we're in the water.
We're in the jacuzzi.
Oh shit.
Over. Over.
No.
No. Give me the camera.
Oh. Yeah, guys, as you guys can see, we're in different clothes. You know, we left the jacuzzi, you know what I'm saying? We about to go find something to eat, you know. Depends on the restaurant looking like. We might sit inside and eat. If not, we come straight back to the house.
We come straight back.
To the apartment. You know what I mean.
Yeah, it's our house. It's our house, y'all.
Yeah. But yeah, we finna go find something to eat, guys. And then it's coming close to the end of this vlog. Probably gonna end it right now. Or when we done eat. She fully dressed like she about to go to the...
Check me out, outfit of the day.
She fully dressed like she finna go...
Shoes from Fashion Nova, pants from Fashion Nova, shirt from Fashion Nova.
Hair from...
Majestic Melanie Hair Collection. Make sure y'all go and shop Majestic Melanie Hair Collection. The link will be in the description below. If y'all want some luscious body yada 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 yada.
And who's the owner?
Me.
Okay.
Yours truly.
Okay.
I am the owner of Majestic Melanie Hair. This is my baby. So make sure y'all go show some love, show some support, even if y'all don't
look at it, the future $1 million company / business.
Y'all, I bleached this hair as well. I made this unit.
So y'all go ahead and start shopping. You never know, you might be a future
ambassador.
Yeah,
brand ambassador. Who knows? It might be you. I might pick you to help me brand my brand.
So support a black business, man. Let's run it up.
All 2021.
Oh
shoot, all 2021. Y'all see, all 2021. Let's support black businesses. Let's support black owned businesses, y'all.
So yeah, guys, we're about to go find something to eat, and we're gonna run it up. Let's go.
Y'all, look at Bennett. He finna do this, what is this thing called? Sandbag toss or something like that?
I got 4 tries.
He got 4 tries. Y'all, it's kind of dark outside. Well, it is dark outside. But they got this little game, huh?
You can see me?
Yeah, you can.
I got 4 tries.
They got this little gaming section set up outside.
How far you want me to go?
You can go right there, that's fine.
Right?
Yeah, he right here, y'all.
If I make it first try, what happens?
Huh?
If I make it first try, what happens?
First try, win $5. Yep, $5. That's all I got, buddy.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, almost. Yeah. I'm gonna get over here so y'all can see. Ooh, nope. Oh! Somebody gotta give him $5. Ooh. Okay, my turn. All right, first try, what I get?
First try?
Yeah.
Your ass wanna give me $5. You getting $2.
$2.
She said her ass wanna be over there in the dark.
Oh no, first try, you didn't make it.
Oh, whatever.
Where at?
That's cool.
Okay.
Yeah. Nope.
That was too hard.
Nope. What the? Hell no. Ooh. Bro, look how close that is.
Okay.
You're a cheater, bro. You're a cheater.
Yeah. All right, y'all. He finna do it again.
Break that tie.
He gotta break that tie. Huh? Further back? Okay. Nope. 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 Nothing.
Oh.
What's that? Oh, that was you?
Yeah.
I was like, nah, I'm here. So let's go. Alright. Where was we at? Right here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Hell no.
What the? Why do I always do that?
Cause you trying to cheat. Look at it, 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 look at it.
I made two, y'all.
Guys, this is all looking at nighttime way up there.
Yep. Look at the sign. Oh, you can't really see it from right here.
I can't really see it.
Guys, he's gonna go right here.
We're gonna go right here and chill. This is where we'll probably end the vlog, guys.
And just chill in the vlog right here. You wanna go right here? Or you wanna sit in these chairs and bring them closer?
Huh?
You wanna sit in here and bring them closer?
I'm trying to go in the direction it's blowing. Woo! This fire ain't working, baby. It's too cold. It is cold out here.
It is cold out here, y'all.
This fire ain't working. We need like 4 of these mother.
And my silly stuff, I left my boots in the car. So.
OPT. Show them toes.
But you know what?
Oh, I feel that heat now.
My toes aren't cold. It's my hands. My hands are cold. See? Yeah. See?
What day is behind there?
I dare you put your hands in there.
What you doing? Girl, you trick.
Yeah, I used to do that growing up. I used to play with lighters. Like I'll flip it on and then run my hand across it like that. I can feel it. I feel it.
I feel it.
We can sit out here and just chill if you want to for a
This
little
is
bit.
what, day 2?
Day 2. Well, they kind of like officially day 1, but we were here yesterday. We got here like what, around almost 5.
Yeah.
So we didn't really do too much. We just got some food and just went back to the room and watched a movie and just chilled.
And what did we do today?
Yeah, today. So today we
didn't
went.
do that much either.
Yeah, we just went and looked around, see what all they have here, and then we also went into the hot tub.
Oh yeah, the hot tub, yeah.
Yeah, and we went outside.
I thought it was really good.
Yeah, it was cool. Like honestly, we couldn't even feel the cold weather anymore.
Hell no, I'm telling you, it was like in the 40s.
It was hot. Y'all, my makeup was sweating off, literally.
Tomorrow, hopefully we get to go on the boats.
Yeah, I want to go on the boat before
We
we
want to
leave.
go on a spy boat.
That spy is like $200
Each.
We ain't got that kind, we ain't got that kind of money. No sir, no sir.
Wait, hopefully tomorrow, we'll probably go up in the jacuzzi again.
Yeah.
Hopefully we get to go on the boats, and then that's probably gonna wrap it up.
Yeah.
And then hopefully the next time we come back, hopefully it'll be warm so we can go in the water and the pool, the slides, and yeah.
Cause I actually want to go on like a little kayaking. I'm gonna do some kayaking. I'm gonna do some paddleboard, all that stuff.
We can do that tomorrow?
We can do that tomorrow.
We can try it.
Before we leave, hopefully we can do something before we leave.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, this is where we end the vlog off here, y'all.
Yes,
Make sure y'all stay safe out there. Wear your mask everywhere you go. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know what y'all want to see from us from 2021. We're gonna try to come to you. You know, we're gonna try to put out videos. So yeah, guys, this is where we end the vlog off. I hope you all enjoyed our little tour of...
A little tour, nothing major.
Yeah, nothing too major, because we also want to enjoy ourselves as well.
Yeah.
But we also want to show y'all around, just in case, you know, you get the idea you want to come, So yeah, we're just gonna sit right here for a little bit and chill.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Then we're gonna go upstairs and yep. What's the BB gang? Let's go. I know we're about to go into the boat. We didn't get a chance to do an intro. So just bear with us.
Right around 7. Yeah, so like near the docks it's probably like 4. I could stand. That's not too bad. We do require you to have a life jacket on board. You do not have to wear it. Would y'all like to wear it today?
Yeah, I'm putting mine.
The bottom. Yep. And then we'll have the
Wait for you
driving
to-
get on first. They're gonna sit in that seat, and then who's driving is gonna sit on the side.
Okay, right.
I got
If you're gonna fall backwards.
So just either there or there, and then just try to sit down into the boat.
Okay.
You'll be fine, I got you.
Fall backwards if you're gonna fall.
You're good.
Hey, don't open the camera.
Okay, yeah, you're right. Okay.
Hey, I should have asked him if there was any instruction this motherfucker.
You know,
What?
guys, we can take our mask off right now. All right, so BB gang, we are currently doing an electric paddle boat right now. So if y'all see us with like life vests on, and
Pray for me, boy.
yeah, that's what we're doing right now. That's what we're currently doing. So this is our view.
Why the bitch sinking towards me?
Huh?
Hey, baby, put some weight on your side, man. Shit. Put some weight on your side.
Yeah, we kind of leaning a little bit.
Hey, put some weight on your side, man.
Is this up?
What's good, BB gang? You out here?
But you can take your mask off, cause ain't nobody else around us right now.
I'm keeping everything that's gonna catch me from drowning.
Your mask ain't gonna catch you from
You
drowning.
don't know that?
All right, you're right, baby.
You need to get what, to that, what, day 3?
Y'all, we're doing this. It's about an hour. We paid like $50 for the both of us, so it was basically $25. The water is kind of brownish, greenish, but I mean it's pretty chill. It's pretty relaxing. So yeah. Oh Lord, this boy here. I should have been the stir. I should have been the driver. I drive the boat. I thought it was something in that cup holder. So yeah, he's turning us around. He's turning.
Why
us
is still going that way?
Huh? Hey!
Oh.
Babe driving the boat, y'all.
Man, I'm too big for this.
This is kind of cool. Y'all, we out here for a whole hour.
It's pretty cool. I like how it keeps sinking on my side though.
Yeah, because he's like, he has more weight than me, so it's kind of like.
So every time I
like
turn
this.
it towards me, my side,
It's kind of like doing like
it
this.
sink. And I'm like, hey, hold
So
on
yeah.
now. How deep you say this is?
7 foot.
This 7 foot.
This is 7
Oh,
foot.
it's
yeah.
taller than me.
I mean, but we can swim up to the shore or whatever.
Who
Over
said,
there.
Who said I can swim?
Babe, it's 7 feet. We can swim up a little bit. We got life thingies on, so it'll help us float up.
Who the hell say I'm going? Hey, put some weight on your side, man.
But I ain't got no more weight.
Hey, man, you better force weight.
Put your leg over here.
I ain't gonna help. You got my phone? Your phone?
Yeah, it's in my lap. So yeah, guys, it's pretty chill right now. We doing this for an hour.
Yes, sir.
Babe, why you want to go out a little bit more?
Where?
I don't know.
You want me to go out there?
Yeah,
You smoking crack?
smoking crack.
I don't know what's in this water.
Guys, we can actually take a nap. Let's take a nap.
All I'm gonna say, if I see something in this water,
We better, we pressing it. We pressing it. We're pressing the gas.
hey, we going 180 on the dash on this for
180.
real.
So this is the power thingy here. So right now we're going 5 and we're going nowhere.
We're going for it.
Oh, 4?
Mhm.
Turn it to 5. Let's see what that is.
Oh my god.
Okay.
We finna wake up anything that's underneath this water now. Oh my goodness, pray for me, guys.
Yeah. Yo, Bennett is scared.
Pray for me. Pray for me.
But I swear if I see something swimming, we going back. I don't care if it's a little fish. I wonder, do they occasionally like drain this? What's something swimming behind us?
Hey, look where the camera's at, man. Don't say that thing.
Yeah, it's kind of dark. Maybe like that, yeah. Yeah, guys, this is what we're gonna be doing for the next hour or so. And then after this, we're gonna go to the pool area. We got our swimsuits on or whatever. I got my swimsuit on. Babe got on some shorts.
Wait, what if this thing running the gas? This don't have gas, right?
Huh? It shouldn't.
Oh, did he check that this thing was charged? Oh,
It is.
God.
It's like 1 below 4.
Okay.
So yeah, it's charged up, y'all. It's charged, everything.
Guys, it's showing the view. Of that.
The sun probably gonna block the view a little bit because it's kind of That's our hotel there, or resort or whatever.
Yes, sir.
It's pretty nice in there. They got 2 restaurants inside. They got like a fitness center. Ooh,
Starbucks.
They also
Fitness
have
center is on the spa side.
what?
The fitness center is behind us.
Yeah, the fitness center is like behind us here. Oh shoot, that sun. The fitness center is behind us, where we got the boat rentals and everything. That's where the fitness center is at. They have a spa as well. Their spa is pretty expensive, so you gotta have some money. You gotta have some coins, okay? Yeah, guys. So right now, this is what we're gonna be doing for the next hour.
Hey.
Hey, what?
Hey, lean back over that way.
Oh.
Ooh.
Baby
Yeah,
pants.
let's see. Back to the screen.
I asked that man, I said, sir, what's your name? He said, Brandon. I said, okay, if I say Brandon, he said, all right, I know to come with a boat. I said, all right, long as you know.
He's gonna mess with his ducks right there.
He wanna go mess with the damn ducks. Now, if they, ooh, they said, nope, not today.
Oh, y'all think y'all bad, huh?
Look at Javon, he always wanna go mess with some damn birds. Look, we coming up on some more. Ah!
Wait, what's that?
What's what? Put your hand in the water.
Who in the water?
Yeah, put your hand in the water.
You go first.
Okay. Got it. Couldn't reach it.
I don't like how this bitch keep leaning, bro. You know what I'm doing?
How long have we been out here so far?
Not even 15 minutes.
We've been out here for 11 minutes, y'all.
11 minutes.
I mean, not 11, 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Been out here for 10 minutes.
Where should I go now?
Y'all, we just saw some turtles, and I'm trying to get Javon to go back over there so I can see the freaking turtles, but he's scared. He keep calling them turkeys.
Yo, you know what I mean? Both scared. Look, show the people that was probably there.
Oh, they getting back on the thing.
Y'all played fire, Anna.
Oh, he going back under. Where did it go?
Cause y'all bother them. Yo, why this thing now go forward? Yo, go forward, brother.
Cause you keep turning it.
Go forward.
No, go backwards. Go backwards.
Backwards.
Go backwards.
Alright, you jump off and you go backwards.
No.
Okay, you know over here, so you want to go where, so?
Yeah,
must
wind.
sure.
Come on, babe. Go back. Go back. And this time, stay over there for a little bit.
If there's something, jump out that bushes.
And then I'm gonna jump my ass up there and run.
Get my sensitivity to the cars. I'm not briefly related to your box. What?
Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go?
You want to come mess with your turtle? You have to wait till when I'm gone.
I don't know where I'm going. Oh, they probably won't come back out. Babe, look at you. Look at you.
Yes, that turtle over there, something over there.
Where are they? Come back up, turtles. I just want to see. We're not going to harm y'all. I just want to see you.
You want to harm you?
And look at him. Look at
fresh blood.
y'all. Look at him. Look at him. Where we going?
Where we going?
Where are we going?
Where we going?
Javon,
What?
Go
Javon, what?
go back.
I feel it. You know why you in them bushes there? You show them the bush? Look on them bush there. And she want me to go over there saying them bush there. You must be mad now about buckler. Mad. Ball turtle. The turtle probably can call it crocodile and whatever I need them water. I thought we'll go over there.
You said they go probably call a crocodile? But I don't think no turtle will go call no crocodile.
You don't know that?
I think I do know that, because
Alright.
they'll get eaten.
Alright, you don't know that?
I do know that. Y'all, this wind making my eyes watery. What time is it? We gotta go back at 1:15. We got about 20 minutes left on here. That went by pretty fast. Turtles, where did they go? Maybe, what if they went somewhere else?
Then gonna call Mother Nature.
And we just coming back up here for nothing.
Are you want to come over here? You think me want to come over here? Are you want to come over here? I mean, today anything jump out of this water, you know. Me gone left you.
You can't leave me.
Who?
You.
Are you want to come over here? See, I stay over here with them.
Babe, jump up there. I bet you $50 to jump up there and jump back in the boat.
I'm gonna entertain you today, man. I ain't gonna entertain you today.
Come on, $50.
$50 jump over where?
Jump in them bushes and jump back in the
I don't know
boat.
why them bushes is.
Jump in the bushes and jump out. Okay, we can go from over here, babe. They not over here no more. They left because of you.
Me? What?
Yeah, you. What?
I walk over. You or me?
Me. But
Alright, are you scared
them?
Oh, me scared them.
Cause
Oh, me scared
they
them.
say you sound mean.
Me sound mean, bro. What the fuck is that? Yo! Don't hit.
Oh! Y'all, I'm finna get the boat. Oh, Lord. We crashing, y'all. Javon driving too. Babe, what if we didn't even touch it? What if something touched us? Y'all, look what he do. He turning it up. He turning it up, y'all. He about to get up out of here.
Joking this.
Y'all, he didn't turn the doggone ignition up. We finna get up out of here. This the ignition right here, y'all.
Yeah, I played the fire, ain't it?
And so yeah.
Played the fire. That's all
This boy, he said, oh, I'm finna turn this bitch around. We're gonna go back to shore. But yeah, guys, I just want to show y'all that little part because it was really funny. Javon was acting a plumb fool.
No, I'm not. Cause you wanna go mess with Mother Nature.
All right, we'll see y'all when we get to the pool.
They're going.
Peace. Oh yeah, we're gonna go get us some drinks too. We're gonna get us some drinks, maybe a shot. Babe, do you wanna get drinks and a shot?
You wanna get drinks and a shot?
I think we should. Let's get drinks and a shot. We're gonna get the 5 o'clock somewhere drink. She said that one's really strong. We're gonna get fucked up. Alright, baby gang, as y'all can see, we are back in the car. We're almost home. We're like 20 minutes away from home. We didn't get a chance to end the vlog last night because we were at dinner and all that stuff.
Yep.
We didn't get to show y'all much of our food or anything because they had music, like copyrighted music playing and everything. And plus, you know, it was our 3-year anniversary, so we just wanted to show y'all some of our trip, you know, just in case y'all wanted to visit and y'all got an overview of what they all have and offer and everything. So yeah, we had fun. We enjoyed ourselves down here. It's really nice. Besides the weather, it was fun. We enjoyed our anniversary trip. We would definitely come back.
Oh yeah.
We're definitely coming back, y'all.
100%.
So yeah, guys. Right now we're driving back. The weather is kind of horrible.
Yeah, 30-something degrees.
At the moment, yeah, it's horrible. We're driving in the rain on our way back home. So, yeah, we're coming back in like the spring or summertime. So, but yeah, we just wanted to end this vlog here in the car because we didn't get to end it at the resort or anything. We checked out. It was nice. The people there were nice.
Everything was nice.
We really didn't want to leave, y'all. We really did not. Like,
everything we didn't get to do every single thing that we forgot to do the golf, tennis court.
It was a whole nother section on the other side of the resort that we didn't even go to. We forgot all about it, but hey, it's more for us to do next time.
Yeah, we used to know.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for other videos. We did get to record another video while we were down here as well. Should be posted by this coming week.
Oh yeah, guys, I got her good.
It was alright. It was alright, wasn't it?
I got her good, guys. I got her good. It was unexpected. She didn't realize. Oh shit.
Look at you. Look at here. Look at here. It's kind of dark. But yeah, guys, we're gonna end it right here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back to y'all in a couple days.